Usually, entry-level headphones immediately betray their price tag with their appearance. But the Havit H630BT defies this expectation with a finish that looks far more premium than it actually is. You might expect a hollow sound profile at this price point, but the audio performance here is surprisingly competent. Equipped with 40mm drivers, it delivers a balanced sound with full-bodied low frequencies that seal the audio well. The transition from mids to the lower end is described as soft and sweet, giving the impression that the sound is truly filling out. However, this quality has a ceiling. It holds up well until about 80 or 90% volume. If you push it to 100%, the low end loses definition and the highs become strident, so it is best used just below the limit. While many affordable headphones sacrifice build quality entirely, this model uses plastic to keep costs down without looking low-end. The finish is neat, and the earpads and headband are made of a synthetic material similar to leather. It is reasonably comfortable, though not quite on the level of competitors like JBL. A functional trade-off is the flexibility. Unlike other models, the ear cups do not rotate 90 degrees. They only pivot in a shell movement, which makes it less compact for transport inside a backpack. Regarding durability against the elements, it is important to note that this device does not have international protection, meaning no certified resistance against water or dust. One would assume a budget-friendly headphone has poor stamina, but the autonomy here is excellent. It offers between 40 to 45 hours of use. At 50% volume, it can even reach 55 hours. Recharging takes about 2 hours via the Type-C port. Technically, the system allows audio playback while it is recharging. However, I wouldn't suggest sitting tethered to a wall socket just to finish a podcast episode or a movie. It works if you have absolutely no other choice, but it is not a recommended practice for daily use. Despite the impressive battery life, the communication aspect is a stark contrast. The microphone capture is very weak. The audio is low and lacks clarity, making it unsuitable for video conferences unless you manually adjust the gain via software. Compared to other earbuds and headphones, the performance here is significantly inferior. There is no companion app for customization, and it does not support multiple point connection, so you cannot pair it with your phone and laptop at the same time. However, the connectivity itself is solid. Whether you use the Bluetooth connection or the 3.5mm audio cable, the stability is reliable, with no perceptible difference in audio quality between the two modes. If you find the Havit H630BT for around $23, it is a valid purchase for the design, battery, and sound quality. But if the price is higher, I recommend looking at the Edifier W800BT or the JBL 520BT, which offer better audio definition and microphones. That wraps up this analysis. If this headphone fits your needs, take a look at the curated links in the description below. I have filtered the most competitive options to save you time. By purchasing through these links, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, ensuring I can continue bringing you honest and detailed reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.